Y'all, I got so many different beans in this chili. I got my meat over here. Man, y'all wait till y'all see this. So the first one, I got to get rid of some of these canned goods. Light kidney beans, light red kidney beans. Y'all know how I open my cans with a knife. So this one is Bush's reduced sodium dark red kidney beans. Baby, somebody gonna be on the toilet. A few people gonna be on the toilet. This is gonna be a hearty chili. Garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. Now the next few, I'm gonna leave the juice off because it's gonna be too juicy. I'm gonna pour the juice off the beans. The next one was a pop top, so I didn't have to use the knife. I'm pretty sure I got all these beans with wick. Great value navy beans. Oh, I said I was gonna pour the juice off. All right, navy beans. Gotta get rid of some of these beans. If y'all knew how many beans I had, cans and bagged, y'all would feel me. I did have the butter beans, but I'm gonna leave out the butter beans. I ain't gonna do all that now. I am gonna put the black beans in here though, because I was gonna leave these out too, because I didn't want to have too many different beans. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these black beans. Didn't lose too much juice. Some of the navy beans are in the sink too. Canchita black beans. Negros. Got a little bit stuck in there. Okay, I'll get them out. I had another thing of chickpeas, and like I said, the butter beans, but I'm gonna leave that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put these Goya small red beans in here. I believe these are similar to kidney beans, and I couldn't find any more kidney beans, so that was another reason I decided. I always put different beans in my chili, but not so many. Like I might put 3 like pinto beans and like 3 things of kidney beans and maybe like 2 things of pinto beans. Then I'll put maybe 1 can of black beans. I never put so many different ones, but I'm also substituting at the same time trying to get rid of beans. So I'm gonna put these Goya small red beans in here. I got a lot of them anti-diarrhea pills that I got off clearance at Walgreens. Somebody might need those. Come on. And last but not least, before I put the seasonings, my Publix diced tomatoes. I had to rinse all the dust and everything off of them. They was way back in the cabinet. And this is not last. I saw somebody put beef broth. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because it's already so soupy. I found some beef broth. I don't know where I get that from. I had to get it free or something, because I find so many things that I wouldn't buy. I don't have any tomato paste, but normally I use like spaghetti sauce for my chili, and I got plenty of that in the can. Again, that I probably got for free because I buy Prego. But yeah, because the beef broth, I drained it. It's like it's on the beef already, but I don't know. There's some right here in the can. I might use it, I might not. I'll do it last. Let me find my spaghetti sauce or tomato paste in the can. Same thing, just how you season it. I don't need the Prego with the meat because I got the meat over there, you know. I was about to send my man to the store. I was like, where's my chili? And I'm not tall enough to reach the top cabinets. And he found this up there. Again, something I must have got for free or for a penny, because I don't remember buying this. But I'm about to put my chili powder and all that other good stuff in here real quick. So I got my masa and my chopped onions and chili and all that stuff. I'm gonna cut this open, dump it in here. I supposed to did that according to the box when I browned the meat, but really it does not matter, okay? Also, I did forget my bell peppers. I normally stir my bell peppers up with the meat, so I might put it on low, put the bell peppers back on my meat, and try again. I'm gonna go ahead and dump all this stuff in the meat. If I just said I'm putting the bell peppers back in here, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. It's gonna make more grease. If it don't, I got sesame seed oil and grapeseed oil, okay? Whatever this stuff is. That must be was the chili or some type of pepper, because I sneezed immediately after I walked away from the stove. That's the baby back there drinking juice, coughing, drinking too fast. And this. Alright. There's some red ones here. I'm gonna put some more of that in there too. Ew. So this one was going bad. Y'all know I don't edit nothing out. I show y'all the real. And this is why I freeze my peppers, because just in case I might not use them quick enough. But I'm gonna cut all that off, and then use the good part, okay? We ain't wasted nothing around here. I'm now about to go wash my knife off, throw this away, cut up a little bell pepper. While this is over here doing what it's doing. It's looking a little dry right now. We gotta hurry up and get it together. Strips. Diced. May as well go ahead and use this one since it's going bad too. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off, wash this off, soften it up, and get all the bad parts off. And I found one. I'm gonna find one more tomato sauce, vine ripe, low sodium, and I gotta open it with the knife, of course. I'm doing stuff ass backwards. I did have to just add water in my meat. Okay, I need to add some more water, and I'm gonna add this sauce. The bad part off. I'm gonna toss that. See if some more on here. Wash this off, cut it up. Do the same thing with this one. I already washed it off. This one ain't as bad. This one ain't like turned black or anything at all. So with it frozen, I don't need to wash the inside out. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up. Honey, they are all different sizes, but your girl don't care. I had to add some more water so my meat burn. You know? Okay, now I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. Same thing as Prego and all that other good stuff. Couldn't think of the other brand. Of course, I'm gonna use probably one more can. But remember, I got a lot of beans and sauce in the other pot. So now I can turn this back on. Super low, because the meat is already done. Some of the bell peppers are done. But I don't want to cook my meat too much more and burn it. So basically, I'm just heating it up now with the sauce. Then I'm gonna pour this on over there with the beans. And I can actually pour it over with the beans and let it simmer and all that now, but I'm gonna do this because I want all the flavors to get in that meat. You know, the chili powder and all that good stuff. The massa. This is similar to how I make my spaghetti too. I like it with the bell peppers. If I want to be spoiled, I'll do ground beef and meatballs. But y'all seen my cooking videos on YouTube. This ain't really one because I didn't show y'all from beginning to end. Y'all know how my cooking videos go. This was made to be a funny video at first to show y'all how many darn beans I was adding in this chili. But I decided to keep going. And you know what? I'm going to go old school. Learn this from my mama. Because we don't waste anything. You see all that sauce in there? Add a little water. Add a little water. Close it up. That's how I do my spaghetti. Shake it up. Pour it on over. We ain't wasting anything. Okay? I told y'all I had to get this free for a penny. Because this thing here says, add the following and stir. The tomato sauce, 2 cups of water, which I eyeball the water. Seasoning packets, except packets labeled red pepper and massa flour. I put all of them in here. I do not care. It's all going to end up in there anyway, so why not? And I think I've always done it like that. Even when I've gotten different brands, you know, of this box right here, like chili kits, I've always just dumped it all in together. Tastes fine to me. So what's the difference? When was I supposed to add the master flour? I don't know. Yeah. This pot ain't gonna be big. I'm gonna have to move it to my super big pot. I guarantee you. And my man had that pot at first, but I'm like, that pot is too big. That's what you cook like collard greens and crabs and stuff like that. But I'm going to have to move it. It's gonna be too full. I'm gonna see though. Nope, I'm not gonna see. I'm just about to use it. This is a big old pot. This is a big old pot. I'm gonna just do it. We put it all in here. I'm gonna dump the beans and then the meat in here. Beans. Beans, greens, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. You name it. You name it, it's in here. Okay? It is in here. We are in this pot today. Like, what rule is there anyway that you can only have one type of bean in your chili? I need to do a taste test before I put any more paprika or red pepper in here. As far as seasonings, not the actual red peppers. Well, that was the tomato, but you know what I mean. Unless that was the pepper, yeah, because they hadn't shriveled up like prunes since I froze them. But yeah, because the children are going to be eating some too. And I may do some white rice. I know there's a debate with chili. Do you eat it by itself? Do you eat it with crackers? The little crouton things or white rice? I do it all. Normally I do cook a side of white rice, but I eat mine personally with crackers, you know, sitting on the side of my bowl, dip it in there. That's how I eat mine. Y'all let me know how you eat yours. Some people have said cornbread. I've never done that now, and I'm a cornbread lover. I actually have cornbread over here that I was going to cook, but decided not to. I love cornbread. Hot water cornbread, homemade cornbread, Jiffy cornbread, any kind of cornbread I love. But what is the way? And I'm in the South, y'all know that, Florida. I've heard people debate with grits, sugar on grits. Ew, sugar goes in cream of wheat or desserts. Sugar don't go on grits and salt, pepper, and butter. What y'all talking about? But everybody got their own taste buds, honey. It's where you came up. And I always tell people that if your family has been giving you something since you were a baby, I had to come turn the water off. If they've been giving you something since you were a child and you used to eating it, once you try something else years later, it's going to be disgusting to you. Your taste buds are used to something in particular. So, yeah, we joke about it saying y'all don't know what y'all doing, y'all don't know what y'all talking about, but we know it all depends on how you came up. Okay? That's it, y'all. I'm not going to fix a bowl because I'm not hungry right now. I ate something else while I was cooking. How do y'all like y'all chili too? Like this consistency or thicker? I kind of like mine a little thicker. But you know, as it simmer and tomorrow, it might be the consistency that you want it once it's in the fridge and everything. So I don't worry about it, but y'all know y'all can add flour and everything, you know, to make it thicker. If it's not thick enough for you, if it's too soupy. But had I poured out the juice on those first couple cans of beans, it probably wouldn't have been this soupy. And I only used one can of tomato paste. Yep. It'll be all right. Let's go ahead and taste it. Y'all know I'm going to be honest about my own cooking. A little hot. I'm trying to get at least one of the beans and some of the meat. I can't. I don't want to double dip. Okay. Let's see. It's hot. I think it's perfect. As far as seasoning, I think it's perfect. I could taste the little spice, so I'm not going to add any more red peppers. I'm glad I didn't. I think it's perfect. So I'm going to put the lid on here. Put it on low. And go on and get on the computer to And yes, that's food from the spoon for the messy people. That's chili, okay? Okay?